If I had to make money online right now and I was feeling lazy as hell, this is exactly what I would do. No clients, no cold DMs, no drop shipping products that take 3 weeks to be delivered, and no waking up at 5 AM to film 30 TikToks a week. I'd build one system once and I'd let it do all the heavy lifting while I just get on with my life. Most people think lazy means broke. But the truth is, lazy people just build smarter. They build systems that make money without them needing to show up every day. So if you've been Googling laziest ways to make money online, hoping for some magic app or easy shortcut, well, good news. There actually is one, but it's not what you might think. I'm about to walk you through how I make daily income online without selling to anyone, without creating new content every day, and without spending $1 on ads. If you want to work once and get paid over and over again, then hit the like button, hit subscribe, and let's get into this. First, let's talk about the so-called lazy ways to make money online that just don't work. Because when most people say they want something lazy, they end up chasing things that are either total garbage or cost way more time and effort than they realise. Yeah, sit around clicking buttons, answering questions for 37 cents a pop. Maybe you'll make $3 in a week if you're lucky. But by the time you hit your payout minimum, you could have built an actual income system that actually scales. Download this app, let it spy on your browsing, and boom, here's $5 a month. All while giving away your data and pretending that's passive income. That's not lazy, that's just slowly bleeding your time. Everyone's still pushing dropshipping like it's 2017. But here's the problem. It's not lazy. It takes hours and hours to set up a store, design product pages, run customer support, and fight all the chargebacks. Oh, and then you need to run ads with money that you probably don't want to burn. So if you're lazy, then this is the worst way to go. See, most of these so-called lazy methods just give you small money for huge effort. They're sold as easy wins, but they trap you in tiny returns with no real leverage. Now, let me show you the actual lazy way to make money online, where you put in a few hours up front and then let that system compound in the background. No inventory, no ad spend, no begging for clients, just a funnel, a product, and a way to get people into it on autopilot. Let me show you exactly how I built mine. Alright, let's break down the real laziest way to make money online. Because here's the truth. Lazy doesn't mean effortless. It means leverage. It means putting in a little effort once and letting that effort work without you. That is what I do. I use a simple system that runs in the background, makes me money daily, and doesn't require me to be on calls, post 10 times a day, or consistently chase people. The foundation is the funnel. And I didn't build mine from scratch. I used a plug and play funnel from my affiliate starter pack. You just drop in your links, update the headline, and you're done. That's how you start collecting emails, promoting a product automatically, without needing a website, branding, or expensive tools. Now you need something to sell. The lazy move? Promote someone else's offer. Or better yet, promote one that's built to convert and pays you big. If you want the easiest way to do this, then plug into my own affiliate program. It's completely free to join. You get high converting products. You keep 50% of each sale, and you get paid every time someone buys, even if you're offline, asleep, or away on holiday. No product creation, no tech stress. You get the funnel, you get the emails, you get everything. Now this is the only work part, but it's light work, so don't worry. Film a few 15-second clips each week. Break down your system, share your results, point people to your funnel with something like, want to see the free system that I use to start earning online? Then grab it below. Post these on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels. Each one becomes a mini traffic engine pointing back to your system. Once they opt in, your emails follow up automatically. The product is already built, the links are already there, and you're already positioned to get paid. This is the lazy system. It's not about no work, it's about one-time setup that scales over time without tons of input from you. You don't need to invest anything, you don't need a team, and you don't need a big budget. You just need a system, and I'm literally handing you mine completely free. I've used this exact setup to make daily sales, grow my list, and build reoccurring passive income, all with under an hour a week of effort. And if you want to copy this all for yourself, I'll show you exactly how to in just a second. So now you've seen the full system. Simple funnel, pre-built emails, affiliate offers that actually pay, minimal content, and all free to set up. So the only question left is, does this actually work? Here's what I'll tell you. This exact system makes me daily commissions while I sleep. And not from ads, not from webinars, and definitely not from some complicated course funnel. All I did was set it up once, built a clean funnel, using my own template, and plugged into one affiliate offer that pays out 50%. I connected a handful of automated emails, and I posted short form content that points back to it. Now when someone watches one of my videos, downloads the free pack and clicks the link, the system just takes over. They go through the funnel, they get value in the inbox, and a percentage of them buy without me lifting a finger. That's income on autopilot. And I'll say it again, it's the laziest money I've ever made online. And you should be doing it as well. Most people lose online because they're chasing effort-based strategies like posting every day, cold messaging strangers, building courses that they never end up finishing, and start dropshipping stores with $50 and a dream. But this model flips the game. You leverage someone else's product, you use a proven funnel, you deploy emails that you didn't even have to write yourself, and you earn commission from other people's momentum. This isn't some push button overnight trick. It's a system that trades hustle for automation. Now let's be real. You're not going to retire from this in 7 days. But this is how you make your first $10, your first $100, your first $1,000, and from there it just stacks up. If you just followed this for 30 days, posted one short video a day, directed people to the funnel, then let the emails and the offer do their job, you'd start seeing results, period. And once you see your first commission hit, that's when everything changes. Because now you believe the system works. So you put in more effort and you let everything compound. Here's the kicker. I'm giving it to you right now, completely free. So download my free affiliate starter pack and you'll get my exact funnel template, the full email sequence that I use, traffic tips to start today, and access to promote my best-selling product at 50% commission. All the tech is pre-built, all the copy is done, all you need to do is follow the steps. And to sweeten it, one person who downloads it will get a full copy of my $499 affiliate marketing masterclass course completely free. If you've ever said, I just want something simple that actually works, then this is it. It's not a side hustle, it's not a gimmick, it's not a grind, it is a system. And once you've built it, it keeps on working. So download the pack, join the program, and build something that pays you without eating up all of your time. Comment below, lazy but smart, if you're actually starting this system today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.